Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to Houston, where a local driver encountered a scene that's, unfortunately, all too familiar: a police officer speeding, tailgating a civilian, and then trying to shift the blame when it's all caught on camera. As usual, once the camera starts rolling, the truth comes out. Let's see how this driver calmly exposes the double standards of the Houston police, forcing them to call in a sergeant just to try and save face. But first, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your thoughts on this encounter.
SN 426. Yep. ASN 426. Okay. Sitting there speeding on the highway. But now he's not. He's on your butt. Well, he's on my ass. Reckless driving. Let's check one here. How fast is he going right now? We're going 80. Yeah, that's what he's going 80. 80 on 60. 65. Yes, 85. Go! 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 So now you're gonna pull you over? Yeah. Start recording. Start recording. Oh, you want to pull me over? Start recording. I will. Start recording.
Can I help you?
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing? You're on my ass back there.
Huh?
On my ass back there. What's your name?
Let me see your driver's license.
What law did I break?
Huh?
What law did I break?
Why were you revving your engine so fast? Why were you
What law did I break?
Safety?
What law did I break, officer?
Huh?
What law did I break?
Why were you revving your engines and why were you following too close to the rubber?
You was on my ass back there. I got you on video.
I was trying to change lanes and you started revving your engine.
No. When we came off that freeway, you were on my ass. Now, what's your name and badge number, officer?
What freeway?
If you don't remember, I can play it back for you. Now, what's your name and badge number? If this continues, I'm going to ask you to get your supervisor out here.
Okay, that's fine.
Go ahead and get him. And what law did I break? You can't tell me what law did I broke.
Was that?
What law did I break?
You were following too close to the rubber.
You were following too close to me. Was he not,
I
sir?
was trying to change lanes, sir.
No, you were not. You were on my ass. I got you on video. Now, you would argue this all day. You were on my ass. And you were speeding 85 and 65. How must you explain that?
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Here he is trying to explain to his supervisor what's going on. I can't get a good focus there. It's kind of shaky there. I'm going to try to get up a little closer here. There he goes. Oops. Kind of shaky when you get zoomed up like that, so sorry guys. I'm not shaking, but the camera sure is. We'll focus in on that. Oops, come on now. What's wrong with this thing? There we go. So now we have 2 squad cars, a supervisor. Thank goodness we got a sergeant here. And we got a motorcycle here, revving the engine. Or the motorcycle says revving the engine. He was on my tail end, was he not?
Yeah, he was.
How you doing, Sergeant?
What can I do for you?
Why am I being detained?
I'm sorry?
Why am I being detained?
Well,
Have I broken the law?
I didn't see you break the law, but from what this officer has told me, you were following real close behind him.
Oh, he was on my ass. Mark my words. He was on my ass. I wasn't near him. I was trying to keep up with him as he was speeding 85 and 65, apparently not doing emergency. So he pulled over, I went by it, and he got behind me on my ass and pulled me over, and he had not told me, officer, what I am being pulled over for.
And where did all that happen?
On 249, right here.
Just further back that way?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Um,
So if I haven't broken the law, I'd like to be free to go. And I would like his name and badge number, sir. You're Officer A.B. Carr, correct?
I'm sorry, I can't hear
I'm
you.
sorry, you're Officer A.B. Carr, correct?
Yeah, Sergeant Carr.
Sergeant Carr, thank you so much. And what's his name, sir?
Let me get it for you. He's not one of my officers.
Okay.
But I'll get it for you and we'll get you out of here.
Thank you,
okay?
sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's his first initial is N, last name Marino. That's his badge number. That's his sergeant's name.
Sergeant name, okay.
Sergeant Murray.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what division he works out of, but that's the phone number to Internal Affairs also right there if you choose to go that route.
The reason being, I don't appreciate being intimidated, him on my ass like that, and then trying to come up and ask me for my driver's license and come some kind of mysterious story about I was on his rear end when I know in fact I was not. So to try to intimidate me to say, hey, here is give me your license and registration when I haven't even broken the law, I find that uncalled for.
Well, I understand, and I didn't witness any of
I
it,
understand
so I
that.
can't really comment on it, but
Yep, I understand.
that's the information you need to, and you can do what you want with it.
And I appreciate that. And I have to admit, if I didn't have all these cameras on, which I do all the time, I would probably be in a different position right now. Extra badges. I mean, I appreciate and I respect the badge, but it doesn't provide you extra rights. He needs to slow down and do the speed limit just like I do.
I understand.
Okay, thank
Free
you.
to go, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
And that's the whole encounter when everything is on camera. The truth always comes out. And sometimes, the ones enforcing the law end up having to explain themselves. If you found this situation as frustrating as it is fascinating, make sure to hit that like button to support the channel. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts on how the police handled this. And don't forget to subscribe, so you won't miss our next police behavior breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.